let's say you want to password protect a WordPress page. Well, how do you do that? It's actually pretty simple. So you'll go on your WordPress website, go onto pages. Now, go ahead and create that web page that you want. I've already gone ahead and done that. And then when you're ready, you'll see it in this list. And all you have to do is just quick edit. And then where it says password, you just give it a password. Right? Simple as that. Now, don't worry. That's not actually going to be my password that I'm using this for. But when you're done, you would just hit update and then that's it. Right? So once this is done, I'm just going to go ahead for the sake, just to show you how this will work in real life. So I have my web page, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up an incognito window so you see this in action. So if someone went to that web page, it will say this content is password protected. To view it, please enter the password below. So I would type in the password that I chose and boom, it would be there, right? Now, you might be thinking to yourself, why would you use this for? Well, anytime that you have content on your web page that needs to be protected, right? So you might have glimpsed in my example, I want to offer exclusive access to, the making of my various projects. And so, I want to be able to sell that as an opportunity for people to buy into and gain access to. And then they will receive the web page and there's going to be a password and they'll get the password. Now, in order to protect the integrity, I would update the password, and so forth. But that is a way to do it, right? And there's tons of other reasons why you might want to do this. In fact, I would encourage you to comment down below and let me know your thoughts on how you might utilize this password protection tool. Anyway, that's it. It's very simple. So if you are running up against a problem, there is your solve for it. Now, of course, this is for WordPress only. For Squarespace and other stuff, you'll have to look up that information elsewhere.